Torchbeam H11H8H9 bulbs. When it comes to automotive lighting, the Torchbeam H11H8H9 bulbs are an exceptional choice. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have come across a variety of lighting solutions, but the Torchbeam H11H8H9 bulbs truly stand out. Manufactured by Torchbeam, a reputable brand known for its commitment to quality, these bulbs offer a range of impressive features. The Torchbeam H11/H8/H9 bulbs, also known as the T7 model, provide outstanding performance and reliability. Weighing in at a mere 13 ounces, these bulbs come in compact packaging with dimensions of 4.96 x 4.69 x 3.31 inches. With a sleek and painted exterior, they can seamlessly blend in with any vehicle's design. One notable feature of these bulbs is their 6500K cool white lighting, which offers a clean and modern appearance on the road. This color temperature provides excellent visibility, ensuring a safer driving experience for all users. Additionally,